How to use Afterpay on Amazon. Hello and welcome to our channel with Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Afterpay on Amazon. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So this is Afterpay. First of all, I'm gonna show you how it works because it's really interesting. So here's why you should Afterpay it. So you can get everything you need now, shop thousands of brands and millions of products online and in store. The second step is that you're gonna pay over 6 weeks. You can make the first payment upfront and the rest over time. Always, this is important, interest free when you pay it in 4 payments. So no fees when you pay on time. Specifically, if you do it in 4, we'll send you reminders and calculate payments to help you get back on track. Okay, that's important too. So here, what you can do if you wanna buy something on Amazon, if you write here Amazon, I'm gonna do it again. You're gonna have Amazon gift cards, and in that way, you're gonna be able to buy some Amazon gift cards like this one to create the payment that you want, the amount. I don't know, perhaps I want to buy a product around $100, and you're gonna make 4 payments of 25 with Afterpay. Remember, if you postpone these payments and make more like rounds, perhaps 6 payments or so, they're gonna charge you with some fees. But in this case, just 25, and there's not gonna be a problem. You can buy it for yourself or for a friend to confirm your details like your first name, last name, email, and confirm email. And once you have done that, probably this is gonna ask you for your bank account or for your credit card, and in that way you're gonna be able to buy this Amazon gift card. Okay. Remember, just for payments, and there's not gonna be any fee or extra amount to charge you. So this is how to use Afterpay on Amazon. Thanks for watching.